What's going on, everybody? This is Rich Robin, owner and founder of Gator Pit of Texas. We are a welding and fabrication shop, and we also offer cooking classes, which I have one coming up on March 7th. My co-pit master is Kirk Drought. Y'all may have seen both of us on Discovery Channel and Destination America on the King of the Grill episode. It was a show specifically about us here at Gator Pit. So we've had these cooking classes now for about 15 years. We have a 100% customer satisfaction, and we limit it to about 15 students per class, and it usually books up. We slowed it down during COVID because people weren't traveling, and we kicked back up again just last year. And so far we've had 3 booked classes, and we have another one coming up March 7th of this year. It's online at gatorpit.net. You can book it at gatorpit.net, and we go through brisket, ribs, chicken, desserts, beans, all kinds of different foods, all prepped and cooked in the class on actual smokers, offset smokers. And it's a great class. It's a full 8-hour day. Starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. We're usually over by 5 p.m. Sometimes we get out as early as 3. Depends on when that brisket's done, again, because we cook everything on site. So the brisket is what goes on first, and it comes off last due to the time it takes to cook. Students get to participate in our class. They get to get their hands dirty alongside the Pitmasters. Like I said, it's always myself and Kirk Drought, Pitmaster. And then we have 1 or 2 more assistants that will be aiding us with the pits, the fire management, and so forth. But we teach fire management. Speaking of that, we teach different types of pits. We talk about all styles of smokers, various brand cookers, etc. If you want a class that is for the novice, for somebody that's wanting to get into barbecue, doesn't know anything about it, or if you're a culinary chef and or a business owner and you're wanting to learn how to cook Texas barbecue or add Texas barbecue or smoked meats to your restaurant menu, you may want to attend our class as the owner, or you may want to send your pitmaster or your chefs to us to learn from us. We also hand out a 60-page book that you can take with you for future references or resources. You can only get this book by attending our classes. The class, again, is March 7th from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. That is a full Saturday day. Myself, Pitmaster Kirk Drought, and I know we'll have 1 or 2 other assistants there as well. All 4 of us are all experienced cookers. So when I say they're assistants, they are experienced cookers. They are pit masters in their own way. They just don't do it professionally like Kirk and I do. So go to gatorpit.net, look for barbecue class or barbecue school, and you can click there and register online right now. As soon as you finish watching this, go online and register. Reserve your spot for our class coming up March 7th. Again, that's at gatorpit.net. That's our website, gatorpit.net. If you have questions, you can call me at 713-896-0144, or you can email me directly at info@gatorpit.net. That is info@gatorpit.net. Again, my website is gatorpit.net, where you can get information as well. There's detailed information descriptions of our class there, and you can register for that upcoming class. We only do about 3 a year. We don't do a lot. We only do like 3 a year. And there are group classes up to about 15 students. We usually cut it off at 15. And our last 3 classes last year were booked. So get in there and get on it. We're getting close to it. Most people don't really start registering until from this point on up until about the 2 weeks before the class date is, and because they're getting their schedules worked out. But we have people from all over the world that attend these classes. I'm not kidding. I've had them from Spain. I've had them from Thailand, Hong Kong, or China. I've had them from Russia, Switzerland, Sweden, Canada, Mexico, man, you name it, everywhere. We have students coming from all over the world to attend this class. It is a great class. We're the only ones that offer what we offer, and that's cooking all those meats, all those foods in one class. All the other instructors or pitmaster classes out there usually are just concentrating on one meat, whether it be a whole hog or if it would be just brisket or just ribs or just chicken. We're doing brisket, ribs, chicken, Sometimes we throw pulled pork in there. We do sides that we make in house in front of the students, and we do desserts. Yeah, smoked desserts. Kid you not, we smoke desserts on our smokers, on our pits outside during the class. So go on there, gatorpit.net, and register today to reserve your seat. We give discounts for multiple student registrations. So if you and your spouse, you're going to get a discount for your spouse. If it's you and your child, your son, your daughter, your son-in-law, whoever it is, you register 2 students, you're going to get a discount. You get discounts up to 4 students total. So the more you register, the more you save. I have students that attend this. It'll be a father-son, father-daughter day gathering for them to just hang out and do something together. We'll have a husband and wife here. Again, they just want to, they're in town or they're coming in town, they're doing a little vacation, and this is part of it. Those are our students. And again, we also have those business restaurant owners. We have those culinary trained chefs, and we do have pitmasters. We have competition cookers that'll attend our class. You will learn something. I don't care how experienced you are, you will walk away at the end of the day on March 7th with, glad I attended it. I never thought of that. I never knew that. I've never seen that. It happens in every class. We give a questionnaire out. You can either put your name on it or leave it anonymous, but that's how we know how to better our classes, and that's how we know about 100% customer satisfaction as well. Every student at the end of the day gets that, and you don't have to put your name on it, and you can say whatever you want on it. It's about 10 questions, and then there's an area for just throw general comments in there. If you don't like something, you will tell us. We don't have that on our surveys. They're all 100% customer satisfaction. And I have customers that do repeat classes. I've got one guy, his name is Greg. He's attended our class 4 times, and every time he comes, he brings somebody with him, a friend with him. That's how much he enjoys it. He's local here in the area. He just loves coming out here on a Saturday with some buddies of his, and they like to just hang out and cook and eat barbecue. All right. But even Greg says that every time he attends our class, he still walks away with learning something new. It's every time, man. Every student will learn something here. So I don't care how inexperienced or experienced you are, you will learn something. You'll walk away going, wow, that was great. Thank you. I'm Rich Robin, GatorPit.net. See ya.